This is February 3rd, 2022, during a big ice storm from inside the tractor cab here. Had to use a torch to thaw out the door so I could get in. Let's see if we can get her moving again. I've already got bales front and back on here. And let's see if we can make it down the big hill. The cows are all waiting for their hay. Hi cows, you move out of the way. There you go. And let's see if we can go down this big hill. Get the four-wheel drive on. There's a great big sinkhole down here we kind of got to miss. Oh yeah, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. There's the big hole. You can see out the windows as good as I can, right? Starting to get just a little bit of heat out of the heater, so kick it up on high. Maybe it'll thaw out the thing a little bit. Anyway, down here is where we're going, in this mud hole. We got, I don't know how much rain last night, a bunch. And still raining now, although it's freezing rain. And they're talking about snow later on this afternoon, and maybe in all day tomorrow as well. So we'll be doing this again tomorrow in the snow. But for now, sliding a little sideways there. Still sliding sideways. It's better now. There we go. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, old Maxim. It's a Maxim 5140. I think it's a 96 model, 100 horse, four-wheel drive. Works pretty good for getting cow feed. Now we're going to raise this up a little bit. I think about there. It's hard to tell, can't see. Tip it over some and see if we can pull this net off. And we'll be back in just a second, as soon as I get out of the tractor here. There we go. Sweet. Hi cows, how you doing? Muddy mess. Look at them tracks. Wow. Muddy mess. Anyways, always nice to have a wet winter where we just have mud. It was froze up last week, which was nice. Yeah, hard to get gloves on with just one hand, isn't it, cows? Let's try this one, see if it works. There we go. Yeah. All the cows are kind of froze up this morning. There's Bully. How you doing, Bully? These cows are, except for that one already had a calf back in the fall, which is bad. But the rest of them all should be having calves for very long. It's going to be fun. All right, net wrap. Frozen. Come on. Come on, you gotta let go there. Out of that hole. About to get her. Shaking around a lot, but I'm pulling this net wrap. There we go. Oh, got most of it. Let's get a start on this other piece here. There we go. Over the top. It's coming. It's coming. Most of it. Got some handwork to do here. Come on, net wrap, you can do it. They're all pulled off here. We don't want the cows eating that stuff. It's bad for them. We don't want it in their stomachs. So we get all this pulled off. There we go. Oh, what a wondrous job. All right. If y'all getting sick, just let me know. Nah, don't worry about it. Hi, cows. There we go. This side's working better. There we go. Now we'll pull back on the icy side. Just calm yourself down there, girl. Come on. This side's the froze side. We'll get her though. No net rep for my cows. There we go. There we go. What's the deal here? There we go. A little more. Now then. Gather up this wad that I dropped on the ground. Usually do two hands with this and it works really well, especially when it's not froze. So back underneath we go. There we go. All right, back over the top one more time. That is last year's bale. I had a few left over. So you're going to see a little waste off the bottom here where it's been setting. And besides the frozen stuff today. But we're going to get her knocked out. And get all this net off. The bale on the back, no, it's also one from last year. So that was the last, should be the last two bales I had. Bully's already decided he'd have him some. Let's put this in the tractor and I'll clean that bale the rest of the way off. Watch out, Bully. Watch out. Let's freeze in my left hand. All right. Yeah, there's just a little bit of rot on here from where it's set. But there's good hay in the middle. Rest the net off here. There we go. There we go. A little bit on the bottom to pick up. And we're golden. And we're golden. See, the middle of the bale's good. Just that outside layer. And really the outside layer is what protects the center of the hay. Once that rots, it makes a covering. Alright, back in the tractor. Up we go. The net behind the seat. What a mess. Alright, raise her up. Shut the door. Oops. Oh, maybe not that high. Watch out, Bully. We're coming in on you. Watch out, girls. drop her down a little bit, tip it over some, back up, and it will slide right off. I've got a hay keeper in that feeder that keeps it up off the ground, and it saves me a lot of hay. They don't waste much at all. I really like that. Anyways, I got one more bale on the back here for the other feeder down. You can't see it, baby, just barely. One more bale on the back, and it's a rinse and repeat. So yeah, life of a farmer, cattle rancher, whatever you want to say. I'm gonna do this again in the morning. So there we go. Y'all have a good day.